Kamar Infrastructure is a leading name in sheet piling contractor, one of the fast-growing company in the field of foundations work such as sheet piling and liner driving. Kamar Infrastructure's vision is to serve our customers better than the expectations. Our principles of the simplicity of design, reliability of performance and durability for exceptionally long service life continue to be central to our business. Kamar have the construction experience and the technical ability to help customers find reasonable solutions to challenging projects such as
Larsen & Toubro Limited Mumbai Coastal Project, Larsen & Toubro Limited, Ishwar Gupta Setu Kalyani, Shapur Ji Palonji, KWIC Salab, Larsen & Toubro Limited, WDFC Pardi, JMC, HDFC, Kolkata, Afghans Infrastructure, Annaram, Telangana, Tata Projects, MTHL, Belapur.
We firmly believe that customer is our assets.